One day, Musa came home from school looking a bit sad. His mom asked gently, "What happened, dear? Why are you so quiet today?" Musa stayed silent for a moment and then said, "Mom, I accidentally broke my friend's toy. Everyone thought someone else did it, and I didn't say anything." Mom replied softly, "Musa, telling the truth isn't always easy, but Allah loves those who speak the truth." Musa thought about it, and the next day he went to school. He apologized to his friend and told the teacher the truth. The teacher looked at Musa with surprise, smiled, and said, "That's the sign of a true person, someone who accepts their mistakes honestly." His friend also said, "It's okay, Musa, you told the truth, and that means a lot." That day, Musa learned that telling the truth can be hard, but it brings peace to the heart, and most of all, it pleases Allah.